Emyaka egiyise emabega mashini zino zibadde zituwaamu obuzibu okuzitandika zirwawo okutandika oluusi nga bwe ziba zituuse ku grid zivaako bwe zivaako kiba kitegeeza nti ebitundu ebimu mu Uganda bigenda kuba bivaako amasanyalaze.
Is it for generals only? I'm seeing you outside.
The governance system is for the operation of the power plant. It regulates the governance system that shows how much power should generate by opening and closing depending on the demand of the governance system. More details, the technical director can give you that more details, but it's to regulate the opening and closing of the governance system depending on the power output that you require.
Commission and designed the first governors, and since then we had a constant very good relation with Eskom. Further contracts have followed, and this project again for me it was a pleasure to be part of the design of these new governors and also to do the commissioning, just as and standing here today as another milestone for very good cooperation in the history.